Hello everyone, I welcome you all back to this training. As you all know, my name is Abu Siwak, aka the Billionaire Web Designer, and in this video I'll be showing you how to create a stunning motion graphic video for products. So we'll be making use of Cowbell as the brand. We'll use the Cowbell brand and we'll be creating our video right away. Now first of all, I'll be showing you this is the materials we're going to be using. These materials. So I'm going to send you the link to these materials, the link to this video. So I'll be giving you the link to this video. So we have three brands here. We have Biggie, we have Cowbell, and also we have Lux. So this Biggie is for Biggie, like for drink, yeah. The Biggie drink. Then we have the one for Cowbell. So and then we have the one for Lux. Now I'll actually be using this Cowbell as the practical. In your own case, you can use anything. You can use Biggie if you want. You can use Lux if you want. Sure. Anyone you want, you can use it. And we'll be making use of an app called InShot. So I'll be using InShot to create this video. First of all, I'll download these videos. These videos are called stock videos. They're called stock videos. So stock videos, which I'll be using as the background. You understand? Then I'll just come here to download the video. I'll just come to this is the first thing here. I want this one to be the first thing. This place. I'll click on this place. Then I'll click on this place. Then I'll click on download. You see download here. If your own is not having download, if your own is down, maybe your own Google Drive is not having download. So just when you click on this place, if that you can't see download option in this place, what you do is that just click on this copy link. You understand? Copy link. Then go to Chrome. Google Chrome, and you are going to paste the link here. You are going to paste the link on Google Chrome. Then click on enter. As you can see, it will open it for you here. Then you click on this download button here, and it will download it for you. You can see it here. So if you can't see download on your own Google Drive, you can download it this way, and it will download it for you. Very easy. But since I can see download here, I'll just come here and download it. This is the first one I'm downloading. I'll download the one that I'll download everything here. Actually, I'll download everything here because I'll need everything. So I'll just download everything, all the images and all the stock videos here. I'll download everything that is here because I'm going to need everything. So download everything. Download. This is the logo. Download. Then after I are done with everything, let's go to our InShot. This is the app I'm going to be using. It's called InShot. InShot. This is the app I'm using. It's called InShot. For this app, I'm going to open this app. Then I'll click on this video. Then I'll click on this new. Then I'm going to choose any of the. I'm going to choose this video. This is the first video I'll choose. Then after choosing it, then I'll click on this green button. This green mark button. You understand? This green mark button here. Then I'm going to click on this. You see that you'll be seeing this InShot watermark here. So you click on it. Make sure that you're on your data connection. Then you click on this InShot and you click on this free remove. So you're going to watch an advert for the watermark to remove. So it remains 9 seconds, and after the thing has reached 0 seconds, you write reward granted here. And you're going to click on that reward granted. So you click on reward granted, and I'm going to click on it. So that watermark has been automatically removed. So this is the video that we have right now. Now the next thing is that you want to add all the videos, like all the stock videos. So I think there are like 3 to 4 stock videos that we'll add here. And this is the next stock video. This is the next one. I want to add this. Then I'm going to scroll to this place again. Then I'll click on this plus button. To add a video, you click on this plus button. To add video or audio, so you click on this plus button. Then I'll add another video. Then I'll scroll again, scroll right, then click on this plus button again. I'll add all the video. Then one more video. I'll click on this. Place. So once I'm done adding the video, now I want to trim those videos because these videos are too long. These videos are too long. So as you can see, it's so long. It's 10 seconds. So I want to trim it. Now the trim video, if you look at this place, you see that. Look, if you look at this place, you see that you'll be seeing some counting here. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Look at this place. You will see some counting here. You see some counting here. So this is the seconds of the video. This is the seconds. That means that this place is 0 seconds. Then this place is 2 seconds. So this place is 2 seconds. This place is 4 seconds, right? So how can we put this thing in? So that means that are seconds. You understand? Those are seconds. So now, why am I telling you this? Because when we are trimming the video, you need to know the seconds to know the where of the thing. Let's say now I want each of these top videos to be 3 seconds each. So I'm going to click on any one of them. I'll click on this one, like for example. Then I'm going to scroll to where this white thing you are seeing here, this white line you are seeing here, to where the white line is in 3 seconds. So this 3 seconds is in the middle of 2 seconds to 4 seconds. As you can see, 3 seconds. Can you see it here? You see 3 here. What is this like this? You see 3 here, see 3 seconds here, as you can see. So you see 3 here. Then once you have reached the place you want, then you scroll right like this. Then you see split. You're going to split into 2. Cut into 2. Then split it. Now when you split it, it means that this part and this part have been separated. So they are not 2 different parts. This one and this one separate. Now this other one that is long, I'm going to delete it so that it will remain this one for me. So I'm going to delete it like this. As you can see, this is 3 seconds that remain like this. Can you see that? So this one, so I'm going to do the same. This one now, I'm going to scroll I'm going to click on it. Then I'm going to scroll from 3 seconds to 6 seconds, right? So this 6 seconds there, I'm going to cut it again. I'm going to split it. Then I'm going to delete this part. Now scroll here to from 6 seconds to 9 seconds. This is 9 seconds there. I'm going to split it, delete this part. Then I'll scroll again to 12 seconds. So this is very easy. Just make sure that you pay attention to it. This 12 is 12.0. Then split it and delete this part. Now scroll here again to 15 seconds. This is 15 seconds here. Then I'm going to cut and delete it. Now these are all the stock videos now. Guys, can you see that? These are the stock videos now. Can you see that? So these are all the stock videos now. I've already cut them. Yes, because a motion graphic should not be too long. It should not be too long. So these are all the stock videos now. Can you see all the stock videos now? Now I've already written a kind of map for you that you'll be following. So the first thing is that I'll add stock videos and adjust it. I'll adjust the stock videos. The next thing is to add the products and animation. So I'm going to go to this place and I'm going to add the product. So to add products, just go to PIP here. PIP here. So PIP means picture in picture. So this PIP means you want to carry another thing over this in this video. It's like an overlay. So you click on PIP, then you click on this photo. Click on photo because before it was in video. So that's why I'm seeing videos here. Click on photo. Then you're going to choose the first. Now I want you to guess inside these 5 products, which one will match this background? Which one will match this background? So let me show you the product again. So which one will match the background? If you choose this blue one, you are very correct. So the blue one is one that will match the background. So each stock video has its own product. You understand? So I'm going to click on this one, this cowbell here. Then I'm going to expand it. It will be like this. A little bit. I'll put it down like this. It should be the middle, like this. So let's watch it from the beginning. Let's see. But I want to make this product. I want to make it come as an animation. Like it should have animation. So I'm going to click on this place. I'll click on this product. Then I'm going to scroll right like this. Now you see animation here. So the animation. Then I'm going to choose any of this animation. Either I choose this. Let me see zoom in first. So I like this, or zoom out. Let me see zoom. No, I don't want zoom out. Let me see sliding. So choose the one that you prefer. You can choose this one if you want, or like this. So anyone you want, The one that makes sense. That's not too rough. So this is the in animation. Like the in animation, choose this for example. There's one that bounce. I like that bounce animation, Okay, let me choose this one. Now this animation, this is the in, you see in animation here, this in animation, and this is out animation. So you are seeing the in animation. Now give it out animation. How will it go out? This is the coming in of the animation of the product. How will it go out? So click on out animation again and choose let me choose this, or let me choose something like that would be something like this. So this is out animation. This one is to control the speed and the speed of the animations, but we don't need this for now. So I think this speed is okay. Then you click on this mark button. Now let's play our video. Let's see. But if you look at this video, you see that this video, this product go past its own stock video. The product is past its own stock video. So because this is another stock video here, and the product is still on this, is still there. So we have to split it like this, splitted that video. So I'll come here. You come to this side where this stock video and this place end. You come to this like you scroll like this. So and you're going to click on this thing until you showing this white border here. This white thing is showing you here. This white thing until showing this white thing. You're going to click on it like then you are going to split it. You see split here. I'm going to split it. Then you're going to delete this part. So let's play it now. So let's click it again and let's click on edit again. Let's click on animation. Then this out animation, you'll give it again. That one is no more effective, so I'll give it again because we already cut out that ending part before. So this out animation, I'm going to give it slide up, right? So let's play the video. Let's see. So let's play the let's see. Okay, very good, very good. So that is the first product we have done, right? Then I'm going to do the same for all the products. So all the products, I'll come here again to this product, this stock video. Then I'll click on PIP. Then I'll click on this I'll click on this plus, this PIP plus. I'll click on it. Then I'm going to choose the product that is applicable, that is compatible, that is the same thing with this phone, that is compatible with this. Also, it's banana. This is banana stock video, meaning that the banana flavor of the cowbell is what I'll put here. Then I'll click on this plus. I'll click on this plus. And I'm going to choose banana. This one. So I'm going to choose banana. I will resize it like this. I'll drag it down. The reason why I'm leaving space at the top is because I want to put text at the top here. Your own text can be down here or at the top, but don't put your text on top of the product. Put it top or down. And your product should not be bent. Don't bend your product anyhow. Don't put it like this. Just put it in the middle. So because you want people to see it. You understand? You want people to see the product. Don't put product at the bench outside like that, or don't make it too small like this. So make it a little bit big so that they will be seeing the product. You understand? I don't give it nonsense animation. Give it animation that is matured. You understand? Don't give it any childish animation. Don't give it like all this rolling animation. So I'm going to go to this place first. I'm going to split it. So I'll split this place out and I'll delete this part. Then I'm going to give it in and out animation. So the same thing I'll do for this product. I'll do for the remaining products too. So I think this is the one I used before. Then the out, it should be slide up. So it's like this. Let's see. So something like this. Then I'm going to do the same for all the remaining products too. But I'll be posting this tutorial, and when I'm done with everything, I'm going to resume the tutorial. You understand? So that I'll not waste your time. So guys, I'm done adding all the products. Let's see. These are all the products. I can see this is 1, then 2, then 3, right? Then 4, then it means 1, right? So these are all the products. Now the next thing is that I want to add text. According to our script here, the next thing is to add text. We have done this too. The remaining things are add text and animation. So let's go ahead and add our text. To add text in InShot, you click on this text. Click on this text button here. This text here. Then you're going to click on this place here. This text again. So you're going to add this text. Then you add. Now, which text are you going to add in this product, this stuff? So you're going to be adding text like delicious, amazing, those type of tests. If you don't have any idea of text to add, you can go to maybe Meta AI or ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT that it will give you idea on on text you can add on a motion graphic for product. So I'm going to go to ChatGPT or Meta AI and ask it that give me variations of text to add or of word to add in my motion graphic for cowbell product. You not be like one word each, so something like this. Then click on enter. Let's see the things it will give you. So as you can see, nutritious, creamy, delicious. Can you see? So to give you different options. So I'll come here and I'm going to type nutritious. You understand? Then I'm going to click on this place to give it color. So there is color. I'll give it color that will match that. Thing. So I'll come here. I'm going to come to this place and I'm going to give it a color that will match that stuff. Let me just look for some color here. Let me look for something like this. So then I'm going to go to border, because this color I want to really contrast on it. I'm going to go to border. You see border here. So I click on border. Then I'm going to give it like a black or white border. So something like white border is. Then I'm going to increase the border here. This is where to increase border. This place here. You just scroll right like this. So to increase the border, something like this. Alright, this is very nice. So when I'm done, I'll click on this mark button. Then I'm going to carry this thing on this place. Notifications. Then I'm going to give it animation. Now to give text animation, just scroll right and you will be seeing edit here. See edit here. Click on this edit. Then you click on this place here. This thing that is going up and down. So you give it text animation. So let me just give it a kind of. Let me give you a kind of, you can give animation from this basic or single letter. You can give it this one or this one. So I'm going to give it from this one or like this. Let me see. Okay. Let me give you this one. This one are too fast. Let me use this. So just look for the one that makes sense, that you can use for everything, because you don't need to be changing animation up and down. So let me just use one for everything. Let me use this. This is okay like this. You understand? Then the out animation, I'm going to use very simple animation too. I'm going to use this as out animation. Something like that. I'll use this as out animation. Then this time, this thing you're saying is the time frame. So if you reduce the time like this, that means it will be fast. If you increase the time, that means it will come slow. Can you see? So let's play it. Let's see how it will be. So let's play it. You know what? This thing. Okay, let's play it again. Let's come and edit it again. Let's edit this animation again. I want to increase the time so that it will come very slow. Let's play it again. Okay, can you see that? So I'm going to do the same thing for each and every one of them. Let me try it again. Let me play it again. Now I want this text. I want the text to come after this product I've already showcased. So how can I do that? I'll just come here. I'll long press on this product and I'll move it a little bit here like this. I'll move it like this, just more. So let's play it again. Can you see? So it's coming in the same time the product is coming in now. Can you see this? But there's a little bit problem here, because when this products have gone, this text is still remaining. So how can we do that? Just come here and split this text, split it and delete this part. So very easy. Let's play it now. So it's very good. Can you see? There's no much stress here at all. So this is very easy. Just make sure that you are paying attention. That's the first one. And the second one, let me use something like creamy. Let me something like energizing here or tasty. So I'll come here again to the next frame. Then I'll click on this text here. So I'll add something like energizing. Let me use capital letter outro. Something like this. Then I'm going to click on this mark button. It should be here like this. Something like here like this. And here. so that when the product is already come, that's where to show face to. So analyzing, and I'm going to click on this edit, because automatically the text will have the same color as the one that you used last for the last time. So I'm going to click on this place, and I'm going to change the color to the color that it will match this stuff. So I'm going to scroll down here. I think this yellow side, yellow. Okay, this dark yellow match it a little bit. So I'm going to take it up. I'm going to use my hand to take it up like this. Put it up like this place. Put it up. So you use your hand to drag it up to anywhere you want. So once you are done with that, then you are going to click on this animation. Then this inner, the thing is that automatically is going to have this the animation of the previous one. So you don't need to do it again. Automatically the animation you give the previous one is going to have it. So I'm going to leave it like this. I'm going to click on this mark button, then I'll play the video. Let's see. No, before that I'm going to come and split it here. Now do this part. Now let's play. Let's see. Alright, 1, 2. Can you see? Very easy. So I'm going to pause this video, and I'm going to do the remaining text, and I'm going to play the video back. Now an easy way of doing this thing again, instead of you going back here to add text, you can just come here, click on any of this text, then you scroll right and click on duplicate. See, click on duplicate here. Then when you go on duplicate, you are going to drag it a little bit like this. So when you duplicate it, the thing is that it will have the same animation, it will have the same text, it will also have the same length. So you don't need to be splitting it again. You have the same length. So I'm going to duplicate it and put it. I'll put it on this side. So I'm going to long press on it and drag it a little bit here. So once you are here like this, you can just come here and click on edit. So you can click on edit from here. You scroll right again. You see this place, edit here. So to change the text contents, so I'm going to click on this one and I'll click on refreshing, right? Refreshing. Then I'll click on this mark button. Then I'm going to duplicate it again. So this one is quite easy. Then I'll long press and shift a little bit like this. Then long press and shift a little bit. Yeah. Yes. Then I'll click on edit here. Then I'll type something like affordable. Then I will come here again. Now you start all these things. The reason why I'm not changing the text color is because this background are very similar, so they are almost the same thing. So you have like similar text color. That's the reason why I'm not changing the text color. This text color. That's the reason I'm not changing the text, because it's matching with the background too. But this one I'll be changing the text color here. So I will duplicate here. Then I'm going to edit it. Edit. Then I'm going to add something like what is it? Let me check. Classic. Then I'm going to go to this edit. Then I'll go to color. This color here. Then I'll give it a red color. Something like this. Can you see that? So let's play that video. Let's see. Nutritious, energizing, refreshing, affordable, classic. Now one more thing. It means one more thing. So one more thing is the ending, because each product motion graphic will have ending. So each motion video will have ending. So the ending is here. This is the ending here. So all of them will have ending. This one is the ending. This is the ending. You can see that. This is the ending here. This one is the ending. So even this biggie have ending. This biggie, so this is the ending of that biggie. So this is the end of the biggie. This is the end of the biggie. So everything have ending. You are starting the ending video. Then I click this plus button. I'm going to add the ending video. Okay, let me just download it from here again. Let's see. Let me see the ending video. Let me just download it from here. Video. This equals the video. So let me download it. I think this is the ending here. So I'll just click on it, and I'm going to click on this green button. Then let's play it. Let's see. Then this is the ending. So you can start. This video is not really interesting because there's no background, there's nothing like background sound, and there's no sound effects there. So to add sound effects, I'm going to play anytime this thing enter. I want to add a sound effect, like a kind of whoosh sound effects. So I'll go to audio. You will see audio here. Then I'm going to click on this effect. Then I'm going to click on this, maybe this transition or this popular anyone. So click on this transition. Let's see. I'm going to test all these transitions. Let me see the one that will make sense on it. So I'm going to use this particular one. I'll click on use. Then anytime the product enters, I'm going to, so it's too late, then I'll drag it like this and put it a little bit to the left. Let's play it again. Let's see. So let's increase the volume. When you click on volume here, then you increase the volume. Let's see. And let's see. Let's play. Let's see. Okay. Then I'm going to duplicate this particular sound effect. I'll duplicate it. Then I'll put it here. Let's see. Alright, so I'll be duplicating all these sound effects to put it so that anytime the product is coming, you'll be hearing that sound effect. Now the next thing for us is to add background sound. Okay, I think I'm done a mistake. Let's see. Okay, there's no mistake. Then I'm going to duplicate it and I'm going to put it here. Let's see. No. Okay, you know what? I'm going to split this place because it have already reached the space of this one. I'm going to split it and delete this part. Then I'm going to shift this one here. Let's play. So something like this. So now after I've already added this sound effect, it now remains to add background sound. The background sound is going to change everything. Now this place I want to add something like with this water pouring sound effect. I want to add water pouring sound effect. Now to get this water pouring sound effect, I don't think it's in InShot, so I'm going to get it from YouTube. I'll go to my YouTube and I'll search for water pouring sound effect. You understand? So water pouring sound effect. Pouring sound effect. So I'm going to click on this place. Then I'm going to end the video that one I like. Let's say I like this one, like for example. Let's say I like this for example. This sound effect is exactly what I need. So I'll click on share. Then I'll copy the link. Then I'm going to go to my vidmate. So if you don't have vidmate on your phone, you can just go to your Chrome and search for vidmate download on your Chrome. You download it. So you can come here and search for. So if you don't have vidmate, just like vidmate download. So it will give you access to download any video on social media just by pasting the link in the vidmate. So if you don't have vidmate, just type on your Google Chrome of vidmate download. I think there's no. Okay, let me type it again on your phone. And okay, there's no network here. But if you don't care, just type of vidmate app download. So it take you to their original or to their official website. I can download your app from there. So this is the app here, vidmate. So I'm going to click on this place. Then I'm going to place the link here, or automatically to show me the download button. But if you don't show the download button, you can place the link in this place. So place the link here, and when you click on download, it will open the link for you. Now you can download either audio or video. So I'll download this video. Click on download here. Can you see it has downloaded for me? So once I'm done downloading it, I'll go back to InShot, and I'm going to click on this audio. Then I'll click on this. This is where it's right. I'll click on this music. I'll click on music here. Then I'll click on my music. You understand? I'll click on extract from audio. So I'm going to choose this audio that I downloaded, and I'll choose this audio. Then I'm going to choose this water pouring sound effect. I'll choose this. Then let me see. So So I'll not cut it here. This is where it's finished, so I'll cut it here. So I'll split it here, then delete. This boy too, if you want to add a kind of maybe relaxing sound effect, like sound effect, if you want to add it there, you can come and download it from YouTube too if you want. So but now I only need to add my and I'm done with the video, so I'll be doing that right now. So now I'll be adding an audio to this stuff. So I'll be adding an audio to this stuff. So I'll be adding a background sound to it. To add the background sound, I'll click on audio here, and I will click on music, then my music, then I'll click on this audio. This audio is actually a vocal audio. So it's a vocal audio. I don't use musical instruments because of it's not permissible in my religion. So I'll be using a vocal audio for this video. I'll click on use. So this audio is so long, right? So I'm going to click on the audio here, and I'm going to split it, and I'll delete this part, so that it won't be too long. So I'll delete this part. Then that is all I need. Then let's play it again. All this sound you are hearing is actually a vocal, like it's a mouth that is doing it. They are doing it with mouth, not with musical instruments. So when you are done with your video, you are going to click on this export button, export, and you're going to choose this 1080p pixels. Then you click on export. So you wait for some time and it will export for you. This is an advert. So InShot shows many adverts. When you're using the free InShot, it shows many adverts. I don't do this once now. I'll cancel it there. This place. Why is it showing me like this? So your video has been created, and that is that for that. As for the audios, I'm going to send you some audios that you can use. I'm going to send you some link to some audios that you can use. The ones I use, or if it's not by force you should use the one that I use, you can use other audios too if you have audios yourself. But don't go and use audio of that won't match with the purpose of that video. Don't go and use maybe a song that maybe all those songs don't go and use a song. It won't match with the purpose. You are going to use an audio without any any word. That will be the best. And also, if you can add voiceover, it will be very good. Let's say you can add an AI voiceover where this thing will be saying nutritious, energizing. It will make sense more. But that's not compulsory. It's not compulsory. If you know how to do it, then you can do it. You can add voiceover or your own voiceover too if you want. So that's that for that, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. I mean, Abu Siwak. Peace out.